It's a video, stupid.
Shut up.
So, what did you do to Jessie with a ruler?
I spanked her ass with it.
And then what'd you do with it?
Shoved it up my butt. She liked it.
That's some lesbian acting out there.
So it's mine. Hey, like Ashley said, I got cum in my mouth. My voice is all cranky.
Oh, yeah. Hold the camera and just videotape me and Jessie. Not yourself. You're an idiot.
Is this on video?
No. Oh, you're an idiot. Oh, my Jesus.
She likes that food. Eat it. Eat it.
You know what?
Quit videotaping me, God.
Birthday.
Paparazzi, get away. Out of my face.
I like that song.
I hate that song. Shut up, Tina. Jess was singing it this morning. Hopefully that didn't get on video. Yeah, it did.
It did.
You're big like
Excuse me.